Hi Gamer Nation, I'm Bob and today I'm playing Car Factory Tycoon, so let's play. And yep, I'm just gonna get more of this and put this in here. And wait, I need metal, not glass. Why did I get glass? Okay. Uh yep. Now I'm gonna put metal in here and yep, make a car. Oop. Well, this is going, I'm probably gonna do more. Luckily, I'll already put glass in here, so I just need to do this. Uh, actually do more also. Do this for more stuff. And this, wait, no, not this. And this. And yep, I think I can work on it now. Or need to get an engine, I think. Oh wait, I already got an engine. I need to do this. So 1, 2, and 3. And 3. Yay! Okay, so now I need to just weld stuff or do this. Welding was last step. I don't know what this is. Okay. Yep. Now I just need to put on wheels. So wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, wheel 4. Oh, now there's a customer. Hi, customer. Give me money. Can you? Okay. Oh, while that's doing stuff, I'll just do next car stuff. I actually like that I have this much automation stuff because I can just do this while other stuff is going, and yeah, I'll get money while I'm making money and do money while I uh offer money. What? Now I got 3 out of 3, and I just need to put wheels on this. Wait, what happened? Oh, wait, I always forget the steps. No. Okay. Uh, now wheels. Now wheels. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Okay. No, I don't want to join a boss fight. Now I have money. Oh, 11,000. 11,000 is more than I got last time. Yay. Oh, wait, now Pumpkinhead is back. Hi, Pumpkinhead. Give me money. Yep, I'm just gonna do more stuff while this is happening, maybe. Yep. And and this and this. Actually, how much is the next car? Uh, it's probably in one or two more cars. So gonna do 2 or 3 now. Now I'm gonna do 3 glasses or 3 glass. Not this. Why do I keep doing this? Not this. Okay. No this. Now more of these. Now welding this. Should probably look at that one car. Oh, I can see it in the background also. But first I'm gonna do this. Okay. And now what? Oh, I think it just lagged a little bit. Now we're doing this. So wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, and wheel 4. Yep. So now I do this and except this. Well, it's a high chance of a scammer, but it's over 10,000. So oh yay! It wasn't a scammer. Okay. Think I think this is the last car before I get my upgrade car, because I only need 2,000 more for my upgrade, and well, this is the only one over 10,000, but this is in the red, so I'm gonna do this one for 9,800. Yep, and now I get a new car. What is my new car? It's a Brulette or Brule Flash. Brulette or Brule, I don't know. Now I do this. So welding, 1, 2 on this car, 3. Think this is still my old car? Yep. Okay. And now I don't want to do stuff. Okay. Now I'm just welding this. And yep. Okay. Now wheel 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can see what our new car looks like. What's our new car? But before that, I'm just gonna do this to make sure I get stayed up on materials. Nope, I ran into that thing that puts car stuff in car stuff. Now I do this 1, yep, 2, and 3. Yay! Oh, new. That looks like a new car. Yep, I like new car. More money is better money. Okay. Now I have this. I put wheels on this. Now one one more car should be coming there, but we'll do this one. 9,000. Oh, this is 10,000, so I'll get this. Yay, 10,000. And what do you have? Oh, wait, Pumpkinhead has hair. I didn't even notice that. So give me money. Oh wait, 15,000. Oh wait, it's in the red though. 13,000. Okay. Now I'll do this. Think I can actually get a new worker after this. And I just got a new car. This is going along much faster than last video on this game. Yep. Oh, can I do this? Yep. Now wheels. More wheels, better wheels, bigger wheels, stronger wheels. Okay. Now I'm just doing one more of these to get caught up on stuff. And yep. And wait, can I check this now? Think I'll get back in time to check it. Yep. 12,000, 12,000. Airdrop is falling from the sky. Be the first to find it. Where's the airdrop? Oh wait, I have a new thing I can buy. And it what? Oh. I probably need a car to yeah. To look around faster for the airdrop. No, I don't want to fight a boss. And yep, I will do more of this. Weld up 1, 2, and 3. 3. I'm getting better at this. Oh, thought it needed more, but it was still good to have one car in that. Oh, wait, I didn't even notice that. The loot drop is right there. I'll hopefully get that first. I want to get that first. This is gonna take a while though, so I'll edit to that. Someone else collected the airdrop, so I'm probably gonna get a car. Think there's that person came in a car, which where's cars? It's probably there. Nope, that's someone else's things. Wait, where's cars? I'm lost. Oh, wait, there's cars. Okay, I'm coming. Slowly but surely I'm coming. Okay. I'm in the car shop now. So select category. This is in my way. Can probably just small car. Oh, wait. How do I? Wait, I own a car? What? Nope. I want to get out of here. Exit dealership. Cars. I apparently own a small car, so spawn car. You're spawning cars too fast. Oh, wait, boss fight. Wait, where's my car? Oh, spawn in the roads in front of my factory. Wait, I want to get back. Oh, wait, and I see a car repair shop or customizer car. Okay. Oh, wait, is that my car? I'm coming, car. I want my car. Give me my car. Oh, wait, I have a car in there too. I have two cars. Two cars. Probably want to go back here. Mm, nope, nope. I am crashing into stuff. Okay. Exit car. Okay. Now I'm getting this. Uh, Wheels 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have this. Think I have a 0 of everything now, so I'm just gonna fill this up. Wait, how much do I need for my next car? 50,000 and 44,000 for my next worker. Okay, so I'm probably actually gonna get my next car before I get my next worker, because this will probably get me my next car. Well, I'm gonna weld this one. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Click and hold to cut out the glass shape. Okay, I'm cutting out the glass shape. Then I'm putting wheels. Actually, I'm not gonna finish this car, but instead I'll get this car to get that better. So my next car is the upgraded car. Play for rewards, race. Nope, only have a small car. So buy next car and Cord Siesta. It's a siesta, fiesta. I like fiesta. Okay, now I'm gonna get this one. Or can I get this one? Yep. And this is my new car then. Okay, and I have one metal and one glass. Oh, and the last worker on time. Now I weld this, so I'm just gonna 0, 0, 1. Okay, thankfully it wasn't the last time. It just kept being 2. And my new car, and oh, actually, I didn't even notice this. I don't know why I didn't notice this. My new car looks good, but how much money am I gonna get for it? Um, Give me money. Okay. Oh wait, 18,000. That's a lot. Okay, think I can get my next worker or even next car by that? What? Just 4. Nope. Can I 4? Yep. No. while that is going, I'm just gonna do more of this. Missing one glass and metal, I know. I'm I'm getting more glass and more metal and bigger, better glass, metal stuff. Everything. Wood. What? No. Oh, wait. Actually, next car is 64,000. Probably gonna actually do that next round. Wait, what? What? Why did I get in my car? What? My thought my car was like all the way across the factory. Okay, or almost all the way across the thing. Okay. Oh, first try. Nope, not boss fight. First try, I got 3 of these. I'm getting better at this. Click and hold. Nope. Nope. Mm, airdrop is falling from the sky. Oh, wait. I have a car now. Maybe I can do car stuff now. Okay. I can hopefully get the airdrop this time. Where's the airdrop? Oh, I think it's there. I'm just gonna be like directly under it. It's really far away. Nope, no, nope. Um, did stuff. Can I get out of here? Okay, no, I can't. Cars, spawn car. Uh, actually, probably do big brain move. I'll just reset. The biggest brain of moves. What? Okay, I'm just gonna. I want that airdrop. Give me that airdrop. That airdrop was relatively high up in the sky, so. Oh, wait, not anymore. Okay, someone else collected that airdrop. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna do more of this stuff. I'm just gonna get 4 wheels to put on this. But if I didn't get stuck in that tree, I probably would have done some airdrop stuff. This is really high, but 21,000, so gonna, wait, will that get me 30, 40, 50, 57? Quick math. Okay, I'm gonna do this one to a 54 and oh, this one 19,000. 73. I can definitely get my next car now. Yay, get my next car. Buy next car. Now the next one is 81, so probably gonna get my next worker now. Set. Nope, not this one. And okay, I'm gonna get this one. New car stuff. Nope, not that. Don't know why it keeps asking me to do boss fight stuff. I can do this, so now how much is this one? Give me money. Give me stuff. Okay. Oop, 25. I'm gonna take that. Oh, wait, now I have a new worker. I'm gonna get a new worker. But actually this oh yay, this new worker is for welding. This will do good stuff. Can't really get welding done all the time. Okay, now I'm doing this. in this. Okay, I'm getting my new worker now. Add a worker. Now the next one is 64. Mm, okay, just like last video, I'm just gonna edit till my parking lot is full again. Wait, actually, the good thing about the new worker is I can actually do this 2 times instead of one. Now, in full, I got the 43. Now this, 25, to get 69. 69,018. I also not only have that, but I had a full thing and think I can buy a new worker. Yep. Now just one more to go for 90,000. That's gonna be a lot. And yeah, I'm still holding a medal. Uh, okay. And I got the new worker, and I didn't even fill out my parking spot. This is in red, so not this. Okay, 25. It's this. Uh, give me money. And this is oh wait, 19,000 for this car? No, I'm taking this 24,000. Just gonna get this 24,000 again. And this. And now I have nothing here. I have one medal. Okay, I have medal. Now I have this, which I think this will get me my last worker, which I'm excited about. And 25. Oh, okay then. Well, with my one medal, I will get my last car. I'm just gonna hold on to this wheel. Oh wait, there's a trash can I could have used. Okay. Okay. Now I sold that car, and with my $101,000 I will get this automated. Now I'm probably going to end this video here. Like, subscribe, comment, bye.